today is a sunny day. It's the right time to clean our deck. So today it will be a busy day. So let's start going down. So look, it's muddy. Look at those. And that's watering the seedlings.
I have okra, I have kangkong, I have sitaw, I have what else? Okra and ampalaya.
To the other side. So we are self-supporting this. This is a plum tree. It's 2 years old now, I think. And it's a Japanese maple tree, the red one. And in between are different perennials. That tree also is a pear tree. They're bearing flowers now. And those are the 3 cedar trees. They have grown taller. And in between are tulips. And then the other tree over there is an apple tree. And one more tree on that corner is the golden plum tree. And that side of the backyard is also filled with black bag. The gardener planted tomatoes, chilies, whatever this, and different kinds of vegetables. And that green stuff over there are hanging buckets for planting pechay. And this tree in front of me is also a pear tree. And here's the other side of the house. I put the steps here so you can see, so it will not be muddy when people come in here. And this is the pocket plants for planting pechay or ampalaya. They like it to be outside now, up to the corner. And this is the one I'm talking about, the golden plum tree. And these are shrubs or whatever are these, I don't know. And that's the Japanese maple tree again. Wow, look at this. This is an apple tree, a lot of flowers. So this is the backyard.
72 hours later.
What it looks like after cleaning. So let's go downstairs now to the lower deck to enjoy our lunch. And also this is now the cleaned lower deck. And we are now ready to start our lunch in the lower deck. This time we are going to have a Korean barbecue grill.
So our backyard patio is ready. So we have our first lunch here, and we prepared this. So we're having a Korean
Grill.
barbecue, and they call it Korean grill. So we have all this: pork, salmon, beef, that's tanigi, that's pork, that's pork ham, zucchini, and it's because that's us today.
So nice. You can enjoy summer again.
Yeah, I know.
Can you pour some this? You can toast. This one is not to be overcooked.
Oh yeah,
You can start eating this.
yeah, that one is flat. Thank you.
Let's cheer for 47 or 37 years of togetherness. Wow! Wow! We can stay here all day.
Oh yes, we're gonna stay here the whole day. Since I don't wanna go upstairs. Malamig naman eh.
There you go. Oh,
There you go, that's good.
this is
Ito lang mahirap sa Korean, you have to wait.
I don't want
You have to wait to be able to cook. I think pwede na yung mga
Well, this is the joy of having your own barbecue in front of you.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Oh, that pwede na yan ah.
It's medium rare.
Oh, yeah, I like medium rare.
Is it? Okay, you wanna try?
Oh, this is one is good though.
Okay, I'll try this. Let's put some tuna. legumes. Oh, we put some zucchini.
Yeah.
Zucchini. I love zucchini.
Yeah.
Did you put some olive oil?
Saan?
Zucchini?
No, meron na olive oil na dito actually.
You can stay here all night. Oh, we should do camping here. With barbecue during the day. Why not? Mm. Mm. So good. Mm.
Ito, dami pa ito.
Don't worry. Be happy.
He's going to eat everything of this.
Don't worry, be happy. Tomorrow you shall live longer. There you go. You want some
Oh,
fish?
yeah, shrimps, please. You're the barbecue guy.
I'm the barbecue guy. And then I will be the first one to eat.
For sure.
It's a good combination for one piece of meat that we
Yeah.
with the zucchini and then the lettuce. Wow, good combination.
You like rice?
No, not this time.
Rice?
No, not this time.
Wow!